Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to algebra proportions. 9 liters are drawn from a vessel full of wine. It is then filled with water. Then 9 liters of the mixture are drawn and the vessel is again filled with water. If the quantity of wine now in the vessel be to the quantity of water in it as 16 to 9, how much does the vessel hold? Let's read this again. If you are not comfortable with wine, we'll make it milk. 9 liters are drawn from a vessel full of milk. It is then filled with water. Then the 9 liters of the mixture are drawn and the vessel is again filled with water. If the quantity of milk now in the vessel be to the quantity of water in it as 16 to 9, how much does the vessel hold? Now let's try to understand this problem from a layman perspective. Let's say that what's exactly happening. There is a vessel full of milk and 9 liters of milk is removed from that. Then whatever is that 9 liters we have taken out, that 9 liters is again filled with water. After that, again they have removed 9 liters from this mixture of both milk and water. 9 liters is removed. Then again whatever the 9 liters again we filled with water. That means finally what we have is milk and water. Then the ratio of them is 16 to 9. Then we have to find out what is the capacity or what is the quantity of the wine in the first place. So to solve this problem, let's take a simple example. Simple diagram. Let us say this is the vessel. Let's draw 3 of them so that we have 3 scenarios. Same vessel, if it looks different then it is fine. Okay, first time what we have is X liters, completely milk, nothing else we have. Now after that what happened? 9 liters is removed. 9 liters of milk is removed. That means this is 9 liters and here X minus 9 liters. Now X minus 9 liters milk we have and we have 9 liters of water. Now what happened now? Again we removed 9 liters. When we remove 9 liters now, earlier there was completely milk. So we removed 9 liters, just milk became X minus 9. Now but when we want to remove now 9 liters, how that 9 liters will be removed? It won't be removed from milk. It will be removed from both milk and water in their respective ratio. That means 9 liter will come from two parts. From water, it will be in the ratio of 9 into 9 by total X, and from milk, it will be in the ratio of 9 into X minus 9 by X. That means the quantity of milk now removed is from X minus 9 is this part. So that means after removing this and again we fill this with water, what will be the situation? We don't know how much water is there. We don't know how much water is there, but the milk, how much is left out is X minus 9. What is the original value earlier? Minus 9 into X minus 9 divided by X. If you are able to understand this, then we are good to go. And we know this is in the ratio of 16 to 9. Now you can ask me, why are you not focusing on the water? Because we are again filling with water completely. After removing 9 liters, we are filling with water. That means total X minus this part is nothing but water. So I don't need to work on this part. So let's go ahead and find out how much milk is left out. So simplifying that, we will have X minus 9 minus 9 into X minus 9 divided by X divided by, and we know this ratio is 16 by 9. What is water left out? Water is total X minus of whatever the milk left out now, because total mixture minus water minus milk is equal to water. Let us simplify that. Now let's go to the next step. What we will have after simplification is x minus 9 into x minus 9. So it will become x minus 9 whole square divided by x divided by, we will have x square minus x minus 9 whole square whole thing divided by x, which is equal to 16 by 9. Let's go to the next step. When we simplify, we can cancel x and x in the denominator. We will have x minus 9 whole square divided by x square minus x minus 9 whole square equal to 16 by 9. Let us do cross multiplication and simplify. We will have 16x square minus 16 into x minus 9 whole square equal to 9 into x minus 9 whole square. Or can I write down 16x square equal to 25 into x minus 9 whole square. Taking square root on both the sides, we have 4x equals to 5 into x minus 9. Let us simplify that. We will have x equals to 45 liters. So the capacity is 45 liters. Now let us verify this, whether this is correct or not. For that, we'll just write down first 45 liters is there, then it became 9 and 36. After this, we removed 9 liters of mixture. At that time, how much milk is removed is 9 into 36 by 45. So that is equal to 9 4s are 9 5s are 36 by 5 is 7.2. So left out is 28.8. Total is 45, then milk is 28.8 and water is 16.2. Now let us divide this. 1.8 will go 9 times, 1.8 will go 16 times. That means our answer is correct. Let's have a recap of this problem. Very interesting problem. What we have been told is there is some quantity of milk in a vessel and the vessel is full. Then 9 liters of water is removed from the milk. Then again it is filled completely with water. Then again 9 liters of mixture is removed now and again filled with water. Now the ratio of milk to water in the vessel is 16 to 9. We have to find out what is the capacity of the vessel or how many liters the vessel will hold. We started with x. We removed 9 liters of water. It becomes x minus 9 with milk and 9 liters of water. Now next time when we remove 9 liters, it has to go from both milk and water in their respective ratios. So this is where we will have the milk removed will be 9 into x minus 9 by x, and whereas the water removed will be 9 into 9 by x. So the milk left out will be x minus 9 minus 9 into x minus 9 by x. And since we are again filling that with water to full x to completely brim to the brim, so what we can say, x minus of whatever milk. So this is like water, this is milk divided by total minus milk. So total is x we know and milk already there in the numerator. We simplify that. We get x equals to 45 liters. So that's one interesting example just thought of sharing with you. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.